Here's a 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. Combining family needs with premium comfort, this Town & Country is the family hauler you'll trust for the long haul. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: memory exterior door mirror settings, heated bucket seats, Garmin integrated navigation system, ParkSense Park Assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, memory audio settings, dual zone climate control, multi-speed automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
One stop.